This is a problem that in general we weren't too good on the last test, so I would expect to see it on the test tomorrow. But if we know that f of x is x cubed plus 3x squared minus 13x minus 15, first of all, is x plus 1 a factor? In order to find out, we have to do synthetic division. So I'm going to take 1, 3, negative 13, and negative 15, and we're going to divide it by x plus 1, which means I'm going to use the 0 of negative 1. So to do synthetic division, bring down the 1, and multiply and add, multiply and add. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. When I add these two, we get positive 2. Multiplying that by negative 1, we get negative 2. Adding is negative 15. Multiply negative 1 times negative 15, we get positive 15, and we add them together to get 0. Since we have a remainder of 0, yes, x plus 1 is a factor. Now in part B, it says to factor f of x completely. Well, so far, I already know one factor of f of x. It was x plus 1. The other factor is going to come from this part of the synthetic division. Those are the coefficients of the other factor, and that will be 1x squared plus 2x minus 15. And since this factor is quadratic, we know how to factor that as well into x, and then plus 5 minus 3. Now f of x is completely factored.